All right, so my son was going to the bathroom and all of a sudden he heard some buzzing noises and he saw some legs sticking out from this vent right here. I pulled the vent down and guess what? Bees started flying out. Very freaky. So what we learned is outside, the vent up there was missing. So the bees were getting in there for wasps and they were making a hive. So we were able to get all the wasps out. So now it's how do I fix this problem? So what we did is we went on Amazon and we purchased this little thing. However, I am not tall enough to reach that vent. So what is my solution? Well, I have a shop vac in my house. So my idea is to use this shop vac here and I'm going to put some liquid nails around the vent. I'm gonna put it on top of the shop vac. And that is how I'm going to secure the vent. And hopefully it'll work. We'll see. So this is kind of a balancing act. I have got the glue on the vent. So I'm going to balance it on here. Right, so I'm gonna hold it up there. It's staying. So I'll put some pressure on it for about 30 seconds and then come back in about 10 minutes or so and see if it worked. But I think we have fixed our vent problem and hopefully no bees can come back. Woohoo, it worked!